the foot peg problem. So I've stuck on this carburettor. Close, but if I wire it up here, that's not touching. Hopefully that's not going to create an issue because the wire's going up. So once the fuel starts to come through, I hope that's enough force to get it through, because that's a custom route, which means that it's going to go, the fuel line's going to go up for a bit, not a lot but a bit, but the fuel tank is still higher, so gravity should be able to force it down here and hopefully over the ump. I could just imagine this now, going up a hill, a steep hill, and then the petrol just running out. But the foot pegs, need to work out what to do with these foot pegs. My theory is the foot pegs are not going to fit. Because of the exhaust and everything. I will have to get different foot pegs. Because of uncertainty in the job market right now, this is all going to have to go sort of like on hold, essentially. My job is heavily affected by the dreaded C word, so yeah, this is on hold. I'm waiting for parts and stuff, but I just can't quite get them at the moment. There's a bit of a problem, especially parts coming from China. They've estimated deliveries at June. So yeah, I mean, I need a new set of foot pegs. Like, it's really annoying. I've got most of the stuff here. This bike, I'm saving it, to be honest. I'm going to wait till self-isolate, if I have to self-isolate, which it possibly, very high chances that it's probably going to happen. Then I'll spend some time here. I might get a load of paint in stock just in case. Yeah, but yeah, all the big expenditures are going to go on hold for now. Chain sprockets are on. Look at that nice big inlet. The rear wheel was completely assembled the wrong way from the previous owner, so I had to redo all that. The spacer was on the wrong side, etc, etc. But yeah, it's all looking good now. So now I just need some foot pegs and maybe some petrol in the tank, and then maybe we get to give this little fire up, see if it actually runs. Or just this bit of play there, which I'm not happy with. Still not sure about this black on thing, but yeah, we're getting there. This is an alcohol wipe, yeah? Got some foot pegs, but this one comes out quite fast, so I'm not sure how I'm going to reach the... where's the gear lever gone? This comes out too far, so I'm not sure I can reach the... too much customization here. Oh, so when your clutch is in, you've got no compression. Interesting. Ooh! Almost. no. Oh. Damn it. Well, okay, just some snagging to do. Rear brake, possibly. Haven't tried it yet, so to see what that's like. Sort out the carburettor. Put the fairing on. Put that panel back on. The biggest issue at the moment, I think, is the centre stand. Got a centre stand on it. Now the easiest way to get around this is take it off, but it is slapping the chain. Even if I tighten the chain up, it would still hit the chain, so I need to put a bung or something to stop it from coming up. That's the problem's fixed. Took the centre stand off. Centre stand's gone. Second issue is right in here. That mounting bolt for the engine, stopping the rear brake from engaging. Ouch. So, I decided not to cut this bolt down because this bolt's quite nice. I've got another bolt, I'm going to cut that one down. I'll just get my snips in there so I can just measure this. Why are there bees and stuff around here? That's the water. Guess I need a drink too, I guess. Okay. Why did you... I'll just give it here. These panels were or meant to be white, or they're cream or something, and I want them white, so I'm literally spraying them now. I'm down to my last tin. You know what, before I continue doing anything else, better clean this up. So painting these today. They were cream. I'm going to go with just white to try and match the leg shield. So yeah, I'll put this on. Look at my hair, it's a big mess, as you can see. I'm not working at the moment. Yeah, I'm in the lockdown lot, I guess. They've cut down, basically where I work, cut down to absolutely skeleton staff. As many people as not working as humanly possible, which is fine. When they said you're not going to come in, I said, right, okay. You know, NHS is saying stay at home, work's saying go to work. This is it, this is good. They've got skeleton staff going to work, that's fine. Gives me time to do what you've seen there. That's all been done over the past couple of days. In total, that's probably about 20 hours in the past few days that I've done on the bike. Literally starting at 9, finishing at 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Just doing stuff with the bike. And now it's just all little bits here and there, tidying up things. I'm respraying the things as we speak down here on the floor. I'm going to leave them now to dry, and tomorrow I'm going to lacquer them. Then it all goes back on the bike, and then we'll see how we feel about it. I might even repaint these black. I haven't decided. I want to put them on the bike, see if it's good or not, and then maybe I'll take a picture and paint them on paint and see how they would look if they were black. I don't think I've got any black paint. Oh no, I have got some black. I haven't got any grey. Have I got any grey primer? Oh, I've got some grey primer. Oh, I could paint them black. There we go. Job done. So yeah, now on lockdown, this project's going to take probably a week more to finish, I reckon. Well, a few more days, I reckon. I'm waiting on a couple of parts now. So it's a case of get these parts, get them in. I found where there's a petrol leak, which I didn't record because when the petrol was leaking, I didn't fancy to like, oh hang on, petrol's leaking, let me get the camera and put the camera. No, that would have been absolutely disaster. So yeah, I didn't have the camera recording, and I wasn't going to stop to get the camera recording when I had a petrol leak. But I found where the petrol leak was coming from. So yeah, hopefully I can fix that. That should be a part coming in the post, hopefully, depending how it all pans out. This does. But yeah, work on the bike is continuing. Luckily, I've got projects to do. I feel sorry for people who haven't got projects to do, because they'll just be going off their nut right about now and just start going and do lally. Once I've done this project though, what will I do? That's a very good question. I've decided what I'll do is I shall move on to the next project after that, basically. So yeah, this bike is getting there. It runs, it leaks petrol, the front brake works, the rear brake works. So hopefully it's just a case of yeah, I guess we're all on lockdown now, so if you could like, comment, subscribe, do all them things, and if you're still on lockdown, I'll put in the info below a couple of playlists you could watch if you like to see more bike builds. And yeah, there's loads of there's another bike that I built last summer, if you didn't know, but yeah, that bike, there's a video series on that you could watch. Or you could watch my old trip series video if you're really bored on lockdown. Really bored. I mean, I think there's like 3 hours of video there in 24 episodes or something like that. So go ahead and watch that if you want. You can always click it ×2 if you want to get through it all. To be honest, most people watch YouTube now on ×2. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and yeah, more updates to come, hopefully, now that I have time to do it all. I've got a couple of rides, off-road rides, and I might post a video from them or not, I don't know, but if you see them, just remember that it was pre-lockdown, you know what I mean? Because a lot of people are already getting upset about that. Anyway, that's it for now. Stay safe, stay indoors, protect the NHS, like, comment, subscribe and all that rubbish. And below I'll put some links for some playlists that you can waste your time watching, because we got a lot of time now to just do nothing. So, ciao. Ow! Yow! Oh dear! Quickly!